Good morning, students. So we are doing internal reconstruction, page number C5. First question we are doing. So see what he is saying in the first question. Vikrant Company Limited has a following balance sheet as on 31st December 2005. Okay, the name of the company is Vikrant Limited, and they are giving balance sheet, and the date of balance sheet is 31st December 2005. Liabilities they have given: share capital 4,000, preference shares of rupees 100 each, 4 lakhs. Okay, 6,000 equity shares rupees of rupees 100 each, 6 lakhs. Credit cards 2 lakhs. So total liabilities and capital we are having 12 lakhs. Then assets we are having goodwill 2 lakhs, buildings we have 2 lakh 20,000, machinery we are having 1 lakh 80,000, stock 1 lakh 60,000, debtors 1 lakh 80,000, cash 20,000, profit and loss account, this is a loss 2 lakh 40,000. Okay, next, considering the financial position, a capital deduction scheme is decided as follows. Capital deduction scheme means internal reconstruction. Okay, so in exam he will say like this, capital deduction scheme. So you have to think that this is capital internal reconstruction. Okay, so what they are saying, equity and preference shares are to be reduced to 50 rupees each. So equity and preference shares, the rate the per share price reduced to rupees 50 each. Okay, so here 100, here 100, 50, 50 we have to reduce. Equity also 50 rupees we have to reduce. Preference we have to reduce 50 rupees. The amount is to be used to write off goodwill and paid profit and loss account. So we are having goodwill 2 lakhs that we have to write off. We have profit and loss account 2 lakh 40, that also we have to write off. Next, buildings are to be reduced by 30,000. So building is how much? 2 lakh 20. From the 2 lakh 20, 30,000 we have to reduce buildings. And machinery also we have to reduce 20,000. From 1 lakh 80,000 we have to reduce 20,000. Okay, the balance is used to create provision reserve for bad debts. Okay, so whatever the balance we left over in the capital reduction, that we have to use for debtors. How much? Whatever the balance. Okay, and next what he is saying, pass general entries and implement the scheme and prepare balance sheet. So he is asking you to prepare balance sheet also. Okay, so we have to reduce equity share capital and preference share capital 50 rupees. Okay, then buildings we have reduced by 30,000, and we have to reduce plant and machinery 20,000. We have to write off goodwill, and we have to write off profit and loss account, and whatever the balance will be left over in the capital reduction, that we have to use for provision for debtors. Okay, he is asking you to prepare balance sheet and journal entries. He is asking to write journal entries and prepare balance sheet. So first we'll do entries. I have prepared the format, so let us write entries. So our first entry will be equity share capital, account debtor. How many equity shares? 4,000 into, he is asking to reduce 50 rupees. We are having equity shares 4,000 and we have to reduce 50 rupees. He is saying 50, right? So 4,000 into 50. Preference also same. Share capital, account debtor. Okay, how much? Shares are 6,000. 6,000 into 50. Okay, this is old capital. This is also old capital. Okay. No, this is reduction capital. We are reducing, that we have to write, not old capital. We are directly reducing, that we have to write. Okay, this is other method to solve the problems. Next, how much? 2 lakhs. Three lakhs. Okay, and whatever is left over, the balance will be transferred to capital reduction account. Okay, how much? Same amount will get. Okay, what we have to reduce 4,000 equity shares by rupees 50 each, and 6,000 preference shares of 50 each. So I have to reduce 3 lakhs plus 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs. 2 lakhs and 5 lakhs. Total how much? 5 lakhs. We can write old entry, then new entry, then capital reduction also. We are doing in shortcut. We can do like this also. Otherwise, you have to write old. First you have to write old, then you have to write a new, then you have to write capital reduction. Okay, so I have done like this. This is a shortcut to solve the problem. Next problem we'll do long cut and short. Next, thread B. The reconstruction is done. Reconstruction is made by converting preference and equity shades of rupees 50 each, and the balance transferred to capital reduction account. Okay, you can write like this also, or what you can do, you can write like this also. I'll show you the other way of writing entry also. This is the first way of writing entry. The other way will be like this. First you have to write old, or old first you write. What is the old? Equity share capital account debtor. What is there in the balance sheet? That you write 4,000 into 100. Old preference share capital account debtor 6,000 into 100. So this is 4 lakhs and this is 6 lakhs. Okay, then you can write like this. To how much he is asking to do, reduce it to how much? 50% to new equity share capital, to equity share capital account. How many shares? 4,000. He is asking to reduce 50, so balance will be 50, so we will get 2 lakhs. Next again new, you write to preferential capital account. How much? 6,000 into 50. How much you are getting? 3 lakhs. Okay, so from 10 lakhs you will take out 5 lakhs. The balance will be 5 lakhs to capital reduction account 5 lakhs. So this is balance. Understood? Like this also you can do. First write the old capital. This 4 lakhs is old, and old new is how much? Sorry, 4 lakhs is old of equity and preference. 4 lakhs and 6 lakhs. So write 4 lakhs and 6 lakhs. And is asking in the question to reduce equity and preference shares to be reduced to 50 each. So you have to reduce 50 rupees. So we are reducing equity 50 and preference 50. Number of shares will remain same. Equity 4,000 into 50, 2 lakhs. Equity preference 6,000 into 50, 3 lakhs. Okay, to capital reduction. So from 10 lakhs, 4 plus 3, 6, 10 lakhs. If we deduct 5 lakhs, the balance will be 5 lakhs. Okay, now we can write being narration, same narration we can write being the reconstruction made by converting preference and equity shares to rupees 50 each, and the balance transferred to capital reduction account. Okay, so you can write this direct entry. Equity share capital directly how much we are reducing, that you write. Preference also we write directly how much we are reducing, and to capital reduction account. This is shortcut, and this is the entry where you have to write everything. First you write old, then you write new, then you write the balance. Okay, we'll continue now. Now first next entry. So we are having in capital reduction 5 lakhs we are having in capital reduction account. This 5 lakhs we are having capital reduction account. So we'll write now capital reduction account debtor. We are having 5 lakhs and is asking to use that 5 lakhs for first of all to write off goodwill. To goodwill, how much is the value of goodwill? 2 lakhs. So first we'll write off goodwill 2 lakhs. Next is asking to write off profit and loss account 2 lakh 40. To profit and loss account 2 lakh 40,000. Next is asking to write off building by 30,000. To buildings account 30,000. Next is asking to reduce machinery by 20,000. To machinery account 20. To he is saying if any balance is left over, reserve for bad debts. To balance left over, reserve for bad debts account, if any balance is left over. Okay, we'll see a balance is left over or not. So we'll see 2 lakhs, 2 lakh 40, 4 lakh 40, 4 lakh 40, 30, 4 lakh 70 plus 4 lakh 90. So balance is left over is 10,000. This total is 4 lakh 90,000. So balance is 10,000. Okay, so we can write entry as being the capital reduction amount utilized to write off profit and loss account and goodwill, and the balance and various assets. You write various assets. Okay, so we have written off capital reduction. We are having 5 lakhs credit balance that we are using to write off goodwill. He said 2 lakh, profit and loss account 2 lakh 40, buildings he asked to write off 30, machinery 2 lakh 20,000, and reserve for bad debts is how much? 10,000. The balance we got. Okay, how did we get balance? This all total from 2 lakhs to 2 lakh 20,000 we have done, that is 4 lakh 90 we are getting. Actually it is 5 lakhs. From 5 lakhs you take out 5 lakh, 4 lakh 90, 10,000 is balance. Easy. Next we have to prepare balance sheet now. So we will prepare balance sheet also. We will write heading as balance sheet of the name of the company is Vikrant Company Limited. As on 31st December 2015. Particulars. No need of writing two amounts. If you want, you can write only one amount column. Okay, first we'll write capital and liabilities. Okay, so under this first we'll write share capital. So equity is how much? New you have to write. Okay, see this problem, the solution. New is how much? 2 lakhs plus 3 lakh 5 lakhs. So 2 lakhs plus 3 lakhs 5 lakhs. Okay, next after this long term liabilities. Or you can write non-current liabilities. Okay, long term liabilities we are having, we don't have long term liabilities, so you can write out a column nil. Then you write current liabilities. In current liabilities we are having credit cards, so write credit cards. Value of credit cards is 2 lakhs. Total will be 5 lakh plus 2 lakhs is 7 lakhs. Okay, next we have to write assets, Roman number 2. This is 1, 2 assets. Okay, so assets first you write non-current assets. Non-current assets. In non-current we are having building, we are having machinery. Building and machinery we are having. So write buildings, machinery. Building, how much we are having? 2,20,000. And machinery we are having 1,80,000. He's saying from 2,20,000 deduct 30,000. So deduct 30. And from plant and machinery deduct 20,000. Minus 20,000. Okay. So we'll get 1,90,000 here. We get here 1,60,000. Okay. So total of these two we'll write later. Next we are having what? Current assets, stock, debtors and cash. Current assets. Okay. Right, first stock. Stock we are not doing anything. We have to write directly stock. 1,60,000. 190 plus 160, 3,50,000 will write outer column. Non-current assets. Okay, this is non-current assets total. Don't get confused. Stock is 1,60,000. Next we are having debtors. Debtors, be careful, he is asking to reduce something about some amount from debtors. 1,80,000. 1,80,000 we have reduced from debtors 10,000 rupees. Provision for bad debts 10,000 we have reduced. That we have to be careful now. Reading 1,70,000. And cash, how much cash we are having? We are having cash 20,000. So 20,000 cash. Now do total 1,60,000. 160 plus 170 plus 160 plus 170 plus 20, 350. So we are getting non-current assets also 3,50,000. So non-current 3,50,000, current assets also 3,50,000, totally 7 lakhs. Here also 7 lakhs, here also 7 lakhs. Easy. Okay, like this we have to do problems of internal reconstruction.